Sri Lankan zircon gems are highly sought after as a popular alternative to diamonds worldwide. These colorless zircons, also known as Madura zircon or Madura diamonds, are renowned for their exceptional brilliance and mesmerizing flashes of multicolored light, often referred to as fire. Zircon can be found in a variety of hues including brown, red, blue, purple, and on rare occasions, green. Despite common misconceptions, zircon is distinct from cubic zirconia due to its superior brilliance and dispersion. Beyond its colorless form, zircon crystals can exhibit vibrant shades of yellow, green, red, reddish-brown, and blue, making them prized possessions for gem collectors and discerning buyers. The beauty and versatility of zircon make it a favorite choice for both jewelry lovers and investors alike, with its unique blend of natural elegance and dazzling brilliance. Whether set in gold, platinum, or silver, zircon gemstones add a touch of sophistication and luxury to any piece of jewelry, making them a timeless and treasured addition to anyone's collection.